Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage to a decimal worksheets. So this video presents two worksheets and we can practice converting percentages to a decimal. If you're not sure what to do, we've had a lesson on this very topic. On the last slide, just click on the link that's provided. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So I'll leave this video on, or this particular slide on, for about 1 minute. If you need to pause the video and you want more time, please do so. But after about a minute, I'll go to the next slide. Okay, I'll go to the next slide now. Remember, you can pause this one. So here is slide number 2. You'll notice here that we have some fractions, and the video shows, that is the lesson that we've had, shows us how to actually deal with these type of situations. So if you need help, on the next slide just click on the link. So I'll leave this slide on for 1 minute before we finish the video. Okay, that's enough there, and please pause the video at any time if you need more time. I'll just go to the next slide now, which will give you an opportunity to click on the link if you need any help. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I'll see you another time.